हेलो स्टूडेंट। आज मैं आप लोगों के साथ टुडेस टॉपिक डिस्कस नेटवर्क एनालिसिस. Network analysis is the process to find the voltage across the current through every component in the network. For every component, current through every component in the network. There are different techniques to calculate this value. However, calculate this value. However, for most, the applied technique assume that components of the network all are linear. Classification of network. In general, it is easy to analyze a electrical network. It is represented with the equivalent model, which gives the relation between input and output variable. For this, we can use two-port representation. We can use two-port representation. As the name suggests, two-port contain two ports, among which one port is used as an input port and other port is used as an output port. In one port terminal, in one port network, it is a two-terminal electrical network in which current enters through one terminal and leaves through another. In this two-port network, one terminal enter and other out the current. Yani it means current enter through one terminal and leaves through another terminal. Resistor, inductor and capacitor are the example of one port network. Example of one port network is resistor, inductor and capacitor because each of the two terminal because each of two terminal. One port network represents shown in this figure. This is the representation of one port network. In two port network, a pair of two terminal electrical network in which current enter through one terminal and leave through another terminal. Current enter through one terminal and leaves through another terminal of each other. Two-port network represent as shown in figure. This port, one port, input port, and this is output port. Current in and current out. Current in and current out. Here one pair of terminal 1 and 1. This 1 and 1 represent one port which is called port 1 and other pair 2 2 dash represent a two port. Other important type network are T model network and T network. In T network, this is like as a alphabet T. Two register T1, Z1, Z2 and Z3 are used. This is your lattice network. Cross-coupled connection of two two resistor two impedance are used in it. ZA and ZA series and ZB shunt element are cross coupled with another ZA series and ZB shunt coupled. This is always a symmetric lattice. Impedance. This is your impedance. Uh, this is your resistance. Reactance. Reactance means it's your inductor and capacitor. XL, cell and XC, and this is your Z. Z is expressed as the opposition that electronic component circuit and of system offer to alternating and a direct electric current. Impedance is a vector quantity consists of two independent scalar phenomena, resistance and reactance. This is your impedance triangle. Thank you.